Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use magic eraser in your Canva, right? It's very easy to do it. So for example, right now I'm here and this is my board, and let's say that I will import this image here, right? And let's say I just want to make it more bigger like this, right? Maybe I just fit this. Right, now it's look good. Now how I will use a magic eraser. So I will just click on this. I will go to the edit photo, right? Once I go to the edit photo, magic eraser, and by the way, this is a paid version, right? Magic eraser is not free in Canva. So I will just select this and I have to upgrade it, right? So what does magic eraser does? You can see I can just easily remove that, picture from there. So this is how it does. So once I click this, it will ask me to pay for it. But if you don't have any money to do that, so it's very easy to do it. You can just go to the Google, right? And here let me just take you to Google and just write here magic eraser AI free, and just hit the enter, and you will find a lot of website which will automatically remove it. So for example, let's say that I want to take this image, right? And I have to save a lion image, by the way. Then only, for example, yeah, this is it. And here, so for example, I just want to take this one, right? I will drag this, and by the way, you can directly upload. And here I just get a brush, and here you can use this, right? So once I click on erase, then it will automatically erase this part, right? It's completely, you can see it's done, right? And if I just click on erase, and it's remove this part, even though, for example, let's say I just want to remove this, completely lion, it will do it. So the same thing does over the Canva too, right? This is pretty easy for the image part. The same thing does the magic eraser, and it's paid version. But if you don't want to buy this paid version, then you can just use this website here. You can say it's completely easy. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful, and you can just download it and just drag the image here, and you can use whatever edit you want to do it over the Canva or any other software, right? So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.